Hi guys, today in this tutorial we are gonna learn about CSS Animated Glowing Text effect. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and the title is CSS Animated Glowing Text effect. And inside the body we want to add a span and copy this line and paste it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inside this G L O W I N G. Let's save the file. It's visible now. Let's link our style sheet index.css. Let's start to style our web page. Margin is 0 and padding is 0. Box sizing is border box and save the file. It's okay now. And body, display is flex, justify content is center, align item center, and height is 100 VH and the width is 100%, and background color is #262626FF. Save the file. Text is not visible. Let's style our span. Color is transparent and font size is 100 pixel and font weight is 800 pixel and font family is sans serif and margin 1 pixel. Animation name is anim and 3 second is in out infinity. Let's create our animation. Keyframes and the animation name is anim and 75% and color is pale violet red and transition property is all and transition duration is 0.2 seconds and translate Y 100% and the 100% is color. Copy this line and paste it one time and text shadow is 1 pixel 1 pixel 20 pixel #EC126CFF and this is 0 pixel 0 pixel 40 pixel and copy this color and paste it. Let's style our span child nth child 1. Inside this animation delay is 0.2 seconds. Let's copy this child and paste it 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this is 2 and this is 3, this 4 5 6 and 7 and time is 0.4 seconds 6 seconds 8 1 second and 1.2 lastly 1.4. Let's save the file and see the result. It's looking nice and glowing effect. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.